Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your downloaded property list on Propwire. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who have downloaded their property list on Propwire but don't know actually where to find it. How do you actually go ahead and do that? So either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first let's hop into our Propwire account. And if you haven't already downloaded a list, you're just going to click on the select all button or select listings that you actually want. Click on this green icon and then click on download. But once you download it, it's actually not going to appear on your laptop or desktop just yet. It's going to take some time to actually convert it into a CSV file format. But once that's completed, click on the icon in the upper right hand corner and then click on activity. And then from here, this is where you're going to find your downloaded list on Propwire. So you would just click on download afterwards. So once I click on download, now it's actually going to appear as a CSV file on my laptop. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find a downloaded property list on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.